Ladies and gentlemen, today, we are thrilled to unveil the 4th generation 2025 Bentley Continental GT, a masterpiece that harmoniously blends our rich heritage with cutting-edge innovation. This grand tourer represents a significant leap forward, embodying the pinnacle of luxury, performance, and sustainability. Design and craftsmanship. The 2025 Continental GT showcases a refined design that pays homage to its lineage while embracing modern aesthetics. The front fascia features newly designed headlights with a distinctive horizontal, eyebrow, and a deep crystal-cut diamond effect, marking the first time since 1959 that a Bentley sports single-front headlights. The rear is equally captivating, boasting a redesigned trunk lid, bumper, taillights, and angular exhaust outlets, all contributing to a sleek and aerodynamic profile. Inside, the cabin is a sanctuary of luxury, offering new color and trim options, including a dark chrome package for a more subdued elegance. Our renowned rotating display remains a centerpiece, seamlessly transitioning between a 12.3-inch touchscreen, 3 analog dials, and a pristine veneer, catering to both modern and traditional sensibilities. Performance and innovation. At the heart of the new Continental GT lies our groundbreaking ultra-performance hybrid powertrain. This plug-in hybrid system pairs a twin-turbocharged 4.0-liter V8 engine with an electric motor, delivering a combined output of 771 horsepower and 738 pound-feet of torque. This configuration not only makes it the most powerful road-going Bentley to date but also underscores our commitment to sustainable performance. The 25.9 kWh battery provides an electric-only range of over 30 miles, allowing for serene, zero-emission urban journeys. The vehicle can reach speeds up to 87 miles per hour in electric mode, and the battery can be recharged in under 3 hours, ensuring convenience and efficiency. Driving dynamics. The 2025 Continental GT is engineered for an unparalleled driving experience. It features active all-wheel drive with torque vectoring, an electronic limited-slip differential, and a 48-volt electrical architecture powering active anti-roll body control. New dual-valve dampers enhance ride comfort and handling precision, ensuring that every journey is as exhilarating as it is refined. Commitment to sustainability. This model marks a pivotal step in our journey towards a more sustainable future. The plug-in hybrid system achieves a WLTP CO2 figure of under 50 grams per kilometer, reflecting our dedication to reducing environmental impact without compromising performance or luxury. Conclusion. The 2025 Bentley Continental GT is more than a car. It is a statement of intent, a testament to our relentless pursuit of excellence. It encapsulates the essence of Bentley, where tradition meets innovation, and performance meets sustainability. We invite you to experience this new era of grand touring, where every drive is a journey of unparalleled luxury and exhilaration. Thank you.